Его рост 177 сантиметров, а вес 77,45 килограмма. Профессиональный рекорд 14 побед при 2 поражениях. Ladies and gentlemen, he's 26 years old, standing 177 centimeters tall, weighing in at 77.45 kilograms. Professional record, 14 victories and 2 defeats. Дамы и господа, из Бишкека, Кыргызстан, приветствуйте, Жакшылк Мирзабеков! Его соперник в красном углу клетки. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. Бойцу 30 лет. Его рост 175 сантиметров, а вес 77,5 килограмма. Его профессиональный рекорд близок к совершенству. 20 побед и только одно поражение. Ladies and gentlemen, he's 30 years old, standing 175 centimeters tall, official weight 77.5 kilograms. His professional record is close to perfection. 20 victories and only 1 defeat. Дамы и господа, из Якутска, Россия, достойный сын Дагестана, Усаир Абдураков!
Let's have a quick look at the tail of the tape for this co-main event here for the interim belt. Nazarbekov in the blue corner and green trunks, and Abdulrakov in the red corner, red trunks. Slight height and reach advantage for Nazarbekov. This is for the interim. Oh, good right hand landed straight away. Chooses that to close the distance. He cut me off there. I was about to say this is for the interim belt. The current champion is Abdul. Oh! He's on he's in tight. He's so tight. What star? This is it. This is it. What a. He's out. He is out. Oh my God. What a finish. This young man is an absolute superstar. How quick was that? Wow! Unbelievable! What a performance by this young man. I didn't even get to say half the things I wanted to say. He cut me off. And now he's going to have to unify the belt with Makayev. I'm looking forward to that one. This kid is on a different level. You saw it as jumps on the back. Literally, the fight just started, gets in there hard. He just literally muscles it and he's tight. Puts him asleep. Slips it underneath the neck. And that is all she wrote. Take a bow, young man. Take a bow. That is one impressive performance. He made that look so easy. Handing Abdulrakov his second professional loss in his career, and that was in devastating fashion as well. The first man to finish him as well.
Дамы и господа, рефери поединка Дмитрий Валерьевич объявил остановку боя через 33 секунды первого раунда. Ladies and gentlemen, your referee Judge Dmitry Alexeyevich calls stop this contest at 33 seconds of the very first round. сокрушающим приемом одержал победу и стал временным чемпионом мира ACA в полусреднем весе. Your winner by submission victory and new interim welterweight champion of the world, Жакшылк!
All I can say is, wow, what a performance by this young man. Let's get a few words with him.
А теперь Москва! Дайте шума для Мырзабекова! Все, Мактыбек, верни человека обратно. Жакшылк, поздравляю.